You can see here, shown in the red line, along with the balloon, we are expecting this extremely severe cyclone storm to move northwestwards to maintain the intensity of extremely severe cyclone storm for next 24 hours due to the favorable oceanic and atmospheric conditions. Thereafter, it is showing slightly weakening trend, and it will cross Yemen and adjoining Oman coast between Al Qaeda and Salalah port around noon of 24th October as a very severe cyclone storm with wind speed of 115 kilometers per hour to 125 kilometers per hour with gustiness 140 kilometers per hour. So this is the expected point of landfall around noon of 24th or around 6 UTC of 24th October. As per the forecast issued by India Meteorological Department, this depression is expected to move west-northwestward for next 12 hours, and thereafter it will change its path and will move north-northeastwards towards Bangladesh and adjoining West Bengal coast. As you can see from this satellite picture animation, the depression is gaining ground. The convective clouds are getting organized. The convection is increasing with depth, and as a result, the intensity is gradually increasing.